In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on Vizio Smart TV. So let's get started. Now, unfortunately, you cannot install Stremio directly on a Vizio Smart TV. However, there are some methods that you can use to bypass this. Not bypass, but alternatives that you can use to cast Stremio or to use Stremio on your TV, yeah? So Stremio comes in two different types, yeah? First you have the SmartCast OS model, and then you have the VIA Plus, which is like an older model, yeah? So let's go over the method one of using Stremio, which is to cast Stremio from your phone, okay? And this is like the best and the easiest method. So for Android users, you'll have to open Stremio, play any movie or show, then tap cast and select your Vizio TV. Now if you're an iPhone, you have to start a video first of all by opening Stremio, then open Control Center, tap screen mirroring, and then select your Vizio Smart TV. Now this works perfectly on all Vizio SmartCast TVs, yeah? Now the method 2 is DLNA casting. So for this you open Stremio, you play something, then click on cast or DLNA, select your Vizio TV. It works even if AirPlay or Chromecast is not showing, yeah? Now method 3 is plug in a streaming device, and this gives you the full Stremio experience because these devices support the APK. Now we have many streaming devices. For example, we have Amazon Fire Stick, which I would say is the best option. We have Google Chromecast, this one, which is with Google TV. So as you can see, Chromecast with Google TV. Then we have Android TV box, and lastly we have the NVIDIA Shield, yeah? Then you can install Stremio normally from Play Store or APK via the downloader app, okay? Then lastly, method 4 is an HDMI cable from your laptop. So open Stremio on your laptop and connect your laptop to the Vizio TV via HDMI and you're done, yeah? So alright guys, that is basically it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.